Well, welcome back to Fools in the Woods here. Please excuse the huge messes, but finally got a refrigerator, an inverter that means business, an extra battery in our set. I'm getting part in the mess. I gotta clean up. Now, we're also at our first section, our drive point. There's the first section of piping and our well. We're getting ready here. We're gonna be putting this stuff in shortly, I hope. Unfortunately for him specifically, Brandon couldn't cut it. He sadly was unable to get his birth certificate and social security card. So he wasn't able to get his license taken care of out here. So he had to return to New York. Now, he may be back in about a year. He may not be. He may decide he cannot do this. Now, it may... We were mean. We were not nice individuals. Unfortunately, we were not able to have an extra person that was incapable of keeping up. But he is welcome back at any time once he has himself sorted out. However, we are making leaps and bounds here. Things may not be pretty. Things are currently messy as hell because I had to move a lot of shit around, go through a lot of shit, and I just haven't been able to pick it up yet between us needing to go into town today and take care of everything, pick up our fridge, inverter, battery, our well, and then shortly here I have to get into work. But things are going well. Things are moving ahead steadily. Hopefully things keep moving ahead steadily. Either way, things are going. Things are going good. You guys have a good time.